Is your Xiaomi phone showing System UI isn't responding? Screen freezes, buttons don't work, or pop-up keeps coming back? Don't worry, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So, let's get started. Solution 1. Clear all system data. First, open up the Settings app on your Xiaomi phone. Then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Apps. Now search System UI. Here it is. Tap on it. Now, if you look at the bottom, you will see the option called Clear Cache. Tap on it. Then tap OK. Now go back. This time, tap on System UI plugin. Now tap on Clear Data from the bottom. Then tap Clear All Data. Next tap OK. Go back. Now search Android System Web View. Tap on it. Now tap Uninstall Updates from the bottom. Tap OK to confirm. Now tap Clear Data. Then tap Clear All Data. Tap OK. After that, go back. Now search System Launcher. Tap on it. Now tap on Uninstall Update from the bottom if there is one. I don't have it on my phone right now. I can't show you. After that, go back to home screen and restart your device. If still you're facing the issue, then try my next solution. Solution 2. Free up storage. Go to the Settings app again. Now tap on About Phone. Then tap Storage. Here, checks your storage. Delete unused apps, videos, files. Make sure you have at least 3 to 5 GB free. Sometimes full storage can cause this issue. And that's it. Hope your issue is solved. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching.